Hey guys, Harmeet here. In this video I'm gonna upgrade my Fujifilm X-T2, which is ready to go, and I'm gonna upgrade its firmware to version 4.10. Alright, so I'm gonna start by going to the Fuji X-T2 page where the firmware version 4.10 is available. I have opened up already the manual that gives us the details, so I will have a read through this as to what the features are. But particularly what I'm interested in is the 1080 120 frame rate. That's what I want to try, and also want to look at the F-log functionality on how it records the video on the camera. So let's download this, click on agree, and it will start to take you to the download page, and basically you will click begin download and it will download the file. Now I'm gonna copy that file onto my card, which I already have formatted. Just to be safe, what I did is put the card in the camera and formatted it beforehand. So copy that file across. Alright, once that's done, again I'm going to hit eject. Alright, the first thing we want to check is there's enough battery. So as you can see, this battery is full, so we should be good to do the firmware update. And by holding the back button, this one here, back in display, and turning the camera on at the same time, you should read the firmware. Here we go. So we're gonna hit yes, and we're gonna do a body first. Yep, 2.1 to 4.1. Click OK. Now we get a notice: don't do anything, don't touch anything, don't remove anything. Yes, correct, understand. Click OK. And now we wait for these little bars down here to progress through, and then the firmware should be done. Alright, we're halfway through. It's taken about a minute so far. Almost at the end. There we go, the firmware upgrade is completed. Turn off the camera. Okay, let's turn it off. There we go. 24 frames, 120p. That's what I want. So the firmware upgrade's done. Now I've got access to 120 frames per second on this X-T2, which is pretty amazing. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.